when you speak with the voice that possesses these special qualities, and the beings to be guided hear the great roar of the 84,000 sections of the Dharma thundering in their ears. It rouses them all from the heavy slumber of their disturbing emotions and breaks through the tight chains of defiling karma, which cast them into samsara, perpetuate it, and keep them bound within it. In order that you might inspire all beings to attain the state of liberation and omniscience, on your right you hold the sword of knowledge, the essence of all the Buddha's wisdom, which also has its symbolic meaning. On the basis of the wisdom and loving compassion described above, with your enlightened activity of speech, you dispel the darkness of ignorance, in which beings cling to I and mine and are thus prevented from seeing reality, since in the process you cut through all the fresh shoots of suffering, such as birth, old age, sickness, and death, that develop out of ignorance. You hold the sword of wisdom, symbolizing that this happens cleanly and unobstructedly.